Whoa. Guys, I had the most fortunate situation occur just now. I encountered this gentleman on the plazas, and I have to say that I really am happy that this happened. I have here with me Steve Douglas. He's the president of the Jamaica Skateboard Federation.
That's right.
Steve, welcome to my life, because you know so me talk about all kind of something. People might have something in one hand and something in the other hand. I have the phone in the other hand, so I can't press the wave thing right now. But yeah, this right now, if you're joining, is Steve Douglas. He's the president of the Jamaica Skateboard Federation. I never even know so them have Skateboard Federation in Jamaica.
We have Skateboard Federation. We also have an Olympic team, Jamaica Skateboard Olympic team.
You have a Skateboard Olympic team?
Yep, and we're traveling to Brazil this Sunday to compete in the 2020 Olympic qualifiers for the Olympics.
Hold on, what is the size of the contingent that we're sending, and how long has the Jamaica Skateboard Federation been around?
Jamaica Skateboard Federation been here about 5 years. We've
5 years? Yeah, so we made it there?
Well, we've actually sparked a little bit of interest more in skateboarding, longboarding, rollerblades, and etc. We've also just recently leased 20,000 square foot in the iconic Trench Town to build the first Trench Town, Boys Town reggae skate park by California.
You're building a skate park in Trench Town?
In Trench Town.
How long is that lease, and what and all right, 20,000 feet?
20,000 square foot. The lease is 25 years.
All right, me not good pan size like that. How big is that? Tell me something where we would are familiar with. That size would be familiar with, yeah. 20,000 square feet.
Probably the whole I don't know. Maybe about stadium size.
That is massive.
Yes.
That is set for completion when?
March 2020. We're going to start construction in a few weeks. We're flying down California skate parks to do the assessment for the area and the wall, and then we're going to start construction ASAP.
All right.
Great things.
Is it only male skateboarders and longboarders that you will be having represent Jamaican in the trials in Brazil?
No, we have it's a both competition, male, female, street and park as well. Are you familiar with both parks, street and park? Park is basically the bowl, and street is what you call with rails and steps and things like that in the course.
That's very interesting.
Yeah, so we have a major competition coming up, and Sparks, we want to influence female skateboarders as well.
Yeah, like I think Kay Wheeler, who is on my Instagram, I've seen her skateboarding up at UE.
We want to influence real skateboarders, people who are really committed to skateboarding. Skateboarding is a great trend, it's also a great culture, and it's also a great sport. But we want to commit, we want to have committed skateboarders, female and both males.
All right. So for persons who want to become a part of the Skateboard Federation,
yes,
as skaters, committed skaters,
yes,
how do they do that?
Well, what you can do is apply to us at the Jamaica Skateboard Fed email. Send us your profile and we'll do some research on you. Make sure that you're a great skater with potential and a positive attitude, Sparks.
Alright, suppose me not have no video with me a skateboard. Like me not have no experience, but I maybe look on TV and see some people a skate and I feel like, yo, I want to try it.
We train as well, Sparks.
You train people?
Yeah, man, we teach every Sunday at our indoor facility. At 3 o'clock, and we teach students from
Where's the indoor facility?
It's located right in front of Megamart, Waterloo. It's inside Ishimoto's gym. And we start from ages 6 all the way to age 45, Sparks.
Nah, man. This new to me, man. Nah, man.
This has been
hold on.
For a while,
people, when I didn't know it's a skateboard park there in Jamaica, I know that they just completed, I think, a rink in Portland, right?
Yes.
Right. So that is what I know about. Because I know it's a skate and the lockdown.
Right.
Where else do you have skating? You have one in Portmore?
No, well, there's a skating rink in Portmore that you use, roller skates in Portmore. But we're going to build an official skate park in Trench Town.
And that's set for completion in early 2020?
Early 2020, March 2020 set for completion. Fully completed and usable for all to enjoy skateboarding, longboarding and rollerblades as well.
Alright, tell us how we can support...
BMX also too, Sparks.
Bicycle?
Yeah, man, that's what that's what the park is for now.
What?
Yeah, man, we have a massive reggae bowl that's going to accommodate BMXers who just love to shred.
No, that sounds awesome. Okay, So how can we support the team that is heading to Brazil this weekend? You have social media that we can follow you on?
Yes, you can follow us on the Jamaica Olympic Association Instagram, also the Jamaica Skateboard Federation Instagram. We also are going to be releasing some jerseys that you can support the team.
Alright, where we get them? What for buy them? Where we get them for buy?
Yes.
What for support that something here?
Yes.
Because I never know about it.
Yes.
If I never buck up in here, I seriously wouldn't know about this. New to me.
I want to tell you something, Sparks. It's just how it was meant to be. Yeah, man. Because I see that you're stepping into the skateboard and I see you love it in a Sparks.
You know, anything brand Jamaica, anything for support Team Jamaica, you know, I might think that, right?
Man. And we need the support, Spark, because skateboarding right now, we're making history. We are qualified 90 out of 188 countries, Spark.
Wow.
And we are rated 90. Can you imagine that without a skate park?
Wow.
How impressive is that?
Are we the only country out of the 100 that don't have a skate park?
Well, not really. Some of the smaller islands don't have, but we're going to get a skate park very soon.
Yeah.
But we are one of the small islands that are competing in this massive qualifiers. I don't think the other islands are in the qualification, but they will be. But
what kind of corporate support are you getting? The Jamaica Skateboard Federation?
Well, Spark, that is the thing. We have gotten much support because we've been doing it all on our own. But we would love the support for corporate Jamaica to come in, because skateboarding is a historical culture and sport, especially coming from where it is till now, Sparks. I know that Jamaica is a part of it and ranked 90 without a skate park. That is just truly amazing. So we need the support.
All right, so for corporate sponsors who are going to watch this video,
yes,
because I'm also going to be posting it on my YouTube, which is Blazing with Sparks TV.
Yes, Sparks.
If they want to support you
yes,
in any form or fashion, how can they do that?
You can give us a call at 876-899-5865 and speak to the Jamaica Skateboard Federation.
Repeat the number.
876-899-5865. We also have branding available for our jerseys. Remember, we're heading to Brazil, so we'd love to put your corporate brand on our jersey to support us all the way in Brazil. We have Russia coming up. We have England coming up.
When is Russia?
I think Russia is later on in the year, before 2020. And
for persons who are overseas who want your jerseys, because I am Ja Prince is right here from Atlanta.
Yes.
And you know, he does a great job of reaching out to the Jamaican diaspora. For persons who are not in Jamaica, how can they get your jerseys? And for persons who are in Jamaica but they're not in Kingston, how can they get your jerseys, and what are the costs of the jerseys?
All right, we have a website that will be set up in about 2 weeks called www.jamwearshop.com. That's going to sell the official skateboard jerseys for the Olympic team. These jerseys are worn by the Olympic members, and you are the only one that can have one. When you purchase one, the support goes to the team to support them through the journey for the Olympics and also for skate parks in Jamaica.
Okay.
Right? The cost of the shirts is $45 for an authentic jersey. And let me tell you, Sparks, the jerseys are awesome, man. I love them. They fit so nice and they look real cool.
All right, thank you so much. You just heard from Steve Douglas. He's the president of the Jamaica Skateboard Federation. Guys, they're heading to the Olympic trials in Brazil, and they need your support. So if you can just buy some of the jersey, corporate Jamaica want to come on board. People with private money will really love and support brand Jamaica, Team Jamaica. Want to help them out. Zine, all of the information in the interview. Just repeat the number again for me.
All right, the number is 876-899-5865. Jamaica Skateboard Federation.
All right, respect. Give thanks. Yeah, man.
Sparks.